Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 17 Trigonometrical Ratios exercise 17 question number 8 to 20 of M.L.aggarwal class 9 mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. Let us solve here 8's first part. In the figure given below, ABC is an isosceles triangle here with AB equal to AC and which is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter given to us in this. Find sin C. Firstly, we will draw a perpendicular here like this, AD. So from that only we can find the value of AD. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write the value of AD. So this will be, if we write here BD, sorry, AD only. So AD square plus BD square will be the hypotenuse AB square. We know here BD is equal to half of 6. So this will be BD and AD is we have to find. So AD square is equal to AB square. Hypotenuse also we know because this is also 5 centimeter. These two sides are equal because it is an isosceles triangle. So here we can write it AB square minus AD square. Sorry, BD square here. So this will be AB is 5 means 5 square minus BD. BD here is 3, 3 square. So 25 minus 9 will be 16. If we take the under root here, this will be AD as 4 centimeter. So here this will be AD as 4. Now we have to find the first part as sin C. Sin C, if we take the triangle here ACD or here ABD, so we can write here sin C as the height by hypotenuse. So sin C will be here, height is 4. So 4 by 5 is the value of first part. Now the second part is asked is tan B. So tan B will be perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular here in this question is, in this part if we take this angle here, perpendicular will be 4 and base will be 3. Now the third part which is asked is tan C minus cot B. So tan C will be perpendicular upon base here also. This will be 4 by 3 minus cot B. Cot B will be base by hypotenuse. So this will be 3 by 4. Here we can take the LCM. So this will be 12 and here 3 into 4 16 minus 4 into 3. So 9. So here we can write 7 by 12 is the answer in this question. So this is the final solution of 8 first part. And this is the answer here of the first, second and third part. Let us solve here 8 second part. In the figure given below, ABC is a right angle triangle here at B. So given that ACB is given to us as theta and side AB is 2 units and side BC is 1 unit. Then find the value of sin square theta plus tan square theta. So here we can write sin theta as height by hypotenuse. So firstly by in right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem we can find the value of hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC will be AB square plus CB square means 4 here, 4 plus 1 and we will take the under root means under root 5 is the value of AC. Now sin theta will be perpendicular height by hypotenuse means 2 by under root 5. Now sin theta is 2 by 5 here. We can write the tan theta also here. This will be perpendicular upon base means 2 by 1. From here only we have to find sin square theta plus tan square theta. So we'll put the value as sin square theta plus tan square theta equal to 2 by under root 5 ka whole square plus 2 by 1 ka whole square. So this will be 4 by 5 plus 4 by 1. We can take the LCM here like this. So it will be 5 and here 4 plus 20 we can write because 1 into 5 will be on taking LCM. So 24 divided by 5 is the final answer here in this question. Means this is the solution of 8 second part here. Now let us solve here 8 third part. In the figure given below, AD is perpendicular to BC. BD is given to us as 15 centimeter. Sin B and tan C is given to us. So from sin B, we can write here, because we know BD is in 15 centimeter, so we can just multiply this part by 5, and we know this will be AD by AB, height by hypotenuse of this triangle. So here we can write AD as 20 centimeter, and if AD is 20 centimeter, we can write about tan C also. So tan C we can write here, tan C will be sine C divided by cos C. So this will be 1 here, because we know tan C is this much. So we can write AD, height by base, DC. On comparing it, we will get 1. From there, we can write AD is equal to DC. So if AD is equal to DC, from there we can write DC is also 20 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the length of AD. Firstly, from this first part, AD we know AD is 20 centimeter. We have previously find it. Now AB we have to find. So AB will be the, here also we can write 25, we can write, because 15 square plus 20 whole square. So here this hypotenuse will be 25 centimeter. On comparing now DC. DC here is also 20 centimeter, we have find it. Now the last part is AC. This is the hypotenuse of the triangle ADC here. So we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. So AC will be AD whole square plus DC whole square. AD here is 4, so AD is 20 whole square, 20 whole square plus DC. So DC will be here 20 whole square again, because AD is equal to DC here. So again 20 whole square means 400 plus 400 equal to under root 800, we can write. So here this we can write 20 under root 2 as the final answer, means AC if we take under root. So AC is equal to 20 under root 2. So this is the solution of the first part. Now the second part is asked, so that tan square B minus 1 by cos square B is equal to minus 1. So here tan square B we can write, because the angle B we have taken. So this will be height by base, means 20 by 15 ka whole square minus 1 by cos square B will be base by hypotenuse. So this will be 15 divided by 20. We can write AB as 25. So 25 whole square. So this will be 20 by 15 ka whole square minus 25 by 15 ka whole square. So here we can write this part as 225 on LCM, and here 20 square will be 400 minus 625. So on calculating this part, it will be minus 225 divided by 225, means minus 1 is the final answer, and this is only we have to prove in this question, that show that tan square b minus 1 by cos square b is equal to minus 1. So this we have proved here. So this is the final solution of the 8th third part. This is the solution of this question. Let us solve your ninth question. If sine theta is equal to 3 by 5 and theta is an acute angle, find cos theta. So here we know sine theta, we know this is 3 by 5. So this will be height by hypotenuse, we can write in this triangle. And if this theta is acute angle, then find cos theta. So if we want to find the cos theta, we can find the base. So this will be under root 25 minus 9 means 4. Base is 4. So cos theta we can write base by hypotenuse. So this will be 4 by 5. Now the second part which we have to find is tan theta. So tan theta will be perpendicular by base. So it will be 3 by 4. Because base here is 4 and height is 3. Because this is base by hypotenuse in this triangle. So this is the final solution of this question here, which we have to find. So this is the answer of the ninth, first and second part. Let us solve your 10th question. Given that tan theta is equal to 5 by 12 and theta is acute angle, then find sin theta and cos theta. So here if tan theta is given to us 5 by 12. So here we can write this is height by, we can write this height by base, height by base. Now If theta is acute angle, then find sine theta. So here sine theta we can write it as, firstly by Pythagoras theorem we can find the hypotenuse as 5 square plus 12 square means 25 plus 144. So if we take the under root, so hypotenuse we can write 13 by finding it. So this will be 13. Now if we want to find the sine theta, which is height by hypotenuse, so this will be 5 by 13. And if you want to find the cos theta, it will be 12 by 13. So this is the final answer in this question which is asked. So this is the final solution of 10th question here. Now let us solve the 11th question. If sine theta is 6 by 10, find the value of cos theta plus tan theta. Let this be the triangle here. If this is the theta angle, we can let here height as 6 and hypotenuse as 10. So from Pythagoras theorem, because this is a right angle triangle, we have let, so base we can find as under root 100 minus 36, so this will be 8. And cos theta, if we write cos theta plus tan theta, so this will be base by hypotenuse means 8 divided by hypotenuse will be 10 plus height by base. So this will be, height is here 6 and base is 8. So if we add this, we will get the value of answer. So here this will be on taking LCM as, so here if we take the LCM, this will be 40 and 8 into 4 will be 32 plus 5, 6, 5, 30. So here we can write 62 divided by 40. We will cancel out this part. So this will be 31 by 20 is the final answer here in this question. Let us solve our 12th question. If tan theta is 4 by 3, means if we let the triangle, right angle triangle like this, means height by base is 4 by 3, this is theta, then find the value of sine theta plus cos theta. So here sine theta we can write it as, this hypotenuse we can write 16 plus 9, so this hypotenuse will be 5. So here sine theta will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 4 by 5. If we want to find the cos theta here only, so this will be 3 by 5 because this is the hypotenuse. If we add this, so this will be 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 equal to 7 by 5 is the final answer which we have to find. We have to find only this only, sine theta plus cos theta, which is equal to 7 by 5. So this is the final solution of the 12th question. And here it is given that both sine theta and cos theta are positive. So this is the solution here. Let's solve a 13 question. If cosec theta is equal to under root 5, so we can write here cosec theta will be inverse of here sine theta. So this will be hypotenuse by height, which is given to us as under root 5. So we can let here 5 by 1. And if theta is less than 90 degree, find the value of cot theta minus cos theta. So here we will let a triangle like this 90 degree in which theta is like this. So hypotenuse, this is under root 5 and height is given as 1. From that we can find the value of base. So this will be under root 5 minus 1 means 2. Base is 2 here. From that we can find the value of cot theta minus cos theta. Cot theta will be base by perpendicular. So here base is this and perpendicular is 1, minus cos theta will be base by hypotenuse. So this will be 2 by under root 5. So here we can take common. Firstly we will take LCM here. So this will be under root 5. 2 under root 5 minus 2. We can take 2 as common. So this will be under root 5 minus 1 divided by under root 5. So this is the final solution of this question here, and this is the answer of the 13th question. Let us solve 14th question. Given sine theta is p by q, find cos theta plus sine theta in terms of p and q. So if sine theta is p by q, we can write sine theta as height by hypotenuse. We will let a triangle like this only. Let this be theta here, means height is p and hypotenuse is q. From that we can find the value of base as under root p square, q square minus p square. So from that only we can write here base as under root q square minus p square So we can write the value of cos theta plus sin theta like this only. Cos theta we can write base by hypotenuse means under root q square minus p square divided by hypotenuse as q plus sin theta which will be p by q. So under root q square minus p square plus p divided by q. So this is the final answer here in this question. This is the answer of 14th question and this is the solution of this part. Now let us solve here 15th question. If theta is an acute angle and tan theta is 8 by 15, then find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta. Let this be the triangle and this be the angle here, means this will be height by base. From that we can find the value of hypotenuse. So on calculating by Pythagoras theorem, this will be 17. So here we can find sec theta plus cosec theta. Sec theta will be hypotenuse by base. So here we can write 17 by 15 plus, so here 17 by 15 plus 8 by 15. So we will, this will be hypotenuse by, sorry, this will be hypotenuse by height. So we can take the LCM here. Where we can take the LCM as 120, which will be 17 into 8. We can calculate here. So this will be 136 and 17 into 15. So here this will be 255. We can just calculate it. So 6 plus 5 will be 11 and here 4. 4 plus 5 will be 9 and this will be 3. So 391 divided by 120. So on calculating this, we can write it as 331 divided by 120. So this is the final answer here in this question. And this is the solution of 15 questions. Solve here 16 question. Given A is an acute angle and 13 sin A is given to us as 5. So we can write sin A as 5 by 13, means this will be height by hypotenuse here. So we'll draw a triangle. Let this triangle be like this here. This is theta here and this is 13 and height is 5. So we can write this part. Base also we can find from this only. 169 minus 25 under root of that. This will be 12 here. Base is 12. From that we can write 5 sin A as we will calculate firstly. So sin A will be again 5 by 13. So this will be 25 by 13. Now cos A we can calculate. So cos A will be 2 into base by hypotenuse. So this will be 24 by 13. Again tan A we have to find. This will be height by base. So 5 by 12. From that we can just put the value in this, on simplifying this part here. This is only we have to find. So here we can write 25 by 13 minus 24 by 13 divided by 5 by 12. So it will be 1 by 13 into 12 by 5. So 12 by 65 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the solution of sixth question here. Solver 17 question. Given A is an acute angle and cosec A is given to us. Find the value of this here. So for finding this, we can firstly write cosec A. Let this as under root 2 by 1. So which will be hypotenuse by height. From there we can let a triangle here. This be the triangle here and this is the angle A. So from that we can write this hypotenuse is under root 2, height is 1. Means base we can write it as 2 minus 1, which will be 1. So base is 1. If we will square it, it will be 2 minus 1 and 1. So this is base is also 1. From that we can firstly find 2 sine square A. So we can just write 2 into sine will be, sine square A will be 1 only. So this will be 2. Now if we want to find the value of 3 cot square A, this we can write 3 into cot will be base by perpendicular, means again 1. So it will be 3. Now tan square A, which we have to find, this will be again 1. Now cos square A will be base by hypotenuse, so 1 by under root 2 ka whole square. So this will be 1 by 2. We will put the value here in this. So this will be 2 plus 3 because this is same only. So 2 plus 3 and here 1 minus 1 by 2. This will be 5 here. We can write 5 and here 2 minus 1 into 2. So 10 divided by 1. So this is 10. Means the value of this part here 10. This is the final solution of this question, and this is the answer of 17 question. Let us solve here 18 question. The diagonals AC and BD of a rhombus ABCD. So this is a rhombus here ABCD meet at O. Means the diagonals here meet at O. Like this, these are the diagonals and they meet at O. So here this is ABCD and AC and BD meet at O. If AC is equal to 8 centimeter and BD is equal to 6 centimeter, we have to find sine of angle OCD. So here, if we write here means AC is given to us 8 means this will be 4 and BD is given to us as 6. So this will be 3. Half of that will be means OC is 4 centimeter and OB is 3 centimeter. Half of the diagonals. So from that we can find the value of sine of angle OCD will be OC height by hypotenuse which is CB. So if we write the hypotenuse, this will be 5 means by Pythagoras theorem if we apply we will get the hypotenuse as under root of 4 square plus 3 square will be 5. So here OC we know 4 and this will be 5. So this is the final answer of the 18th question and this is the solution of this question 18th question. Let us solve here 19th question. If tan theta is 5 by 12, then find the value of cos theta plus sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta. So from that we can find the value of cos theta. Cos theta will be base by hypotenuse. Base we know hypotenuse will be 13 in this case. So this will be 12 by 13 and sin theta will be 5 height by hypotenuse. So this will be 5 by 13. We will put the value in this part. So this will be cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. So here this will be 12 by 13 plus 5 by 13 and here 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13. So this will be 17 by 13 into 13 by 7. So this will be cancelled out and here we will get 17 by 7 is the final answer in this question. So this is the solution of 19 question. Let us solve here 20 question. Given 5 cos A minus 12 sin A is equal to 0. Means 5 cos A is equal to 12 sin A. From that we can write sin A divided by cos A equal to 5 by 12. This will be tan A. Tan A is equal to 5 by 12. From that means height by base. Let this triangle here like this. This is the triangle here. Right angle triangle where height is 5 and base is 12 means hypotenuse will be 13 by Pythagoras theorem. And if you want to find the value of sin A, this will be 5 by 13. Cos A will be 12 by 13 and 2 cos A if you want to write this will be 24 by 13 and sin A again this will be 5 by 13. So if we want to put in this part which we have to calculate here, we can write here sin A plus cos A divided by 2 cos A minus sin A. So here we have calculated all these parts we can put here. So this will be 5 by 13 plus 12 by 13 divided by 24 by 13 minus 5 by 13. So here we can write 17 by 13 into 13 divided by 19 here. So this will be cancelled out and we will get 17 by 19 as the final answer here in this question. So this is the solution of 20 question here.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.